think this is a load of bollocks. Hey, I was on YouTube the other day, guys, and I was watching a video about some big loaders. And about halfway through my video, I got an ad about a military-grade, totally electric USB plug-in lighter. And I thought to myself, Pete, that sounds really cool. So I actually watched the whole ad. Have a look at this, my friends.
Incredible electric dual arc torch is the ultimate survival tool.
You've never seen anything like this. This lighter is 20 times more powerful than regular lighters, and it doesn't run on gas or butane.
It says it's 20 times more powerful than a regular lighter, and it doesn't run on any sort of gas or butane.
Coil technology to produce a 1,800 degree plasma flame, making it the first ever rechargeable, windproof, waterproof, and fuel-free lighter. It was created by U.S. Special Forces to be used as a survival tool.
It was manufactured with Tesla coil technology, whatever the hell that is, and it's a dual-action plasma flame. Woohoo! Pete's gotta have one of them.
An advantage during emergency situations.
Thanks to its military-grade design, it's the perfect tool for any weather type, such as cold, rain, snow, wind, you name it. It was used.
And you know what? They reckon it's even waterproof. I was on my second beer by this stage, so I thought to myself, Pete, shout yourself one of these really high-tech lighters, because it's gonna be friggin' awesome. So I was on tenterhooks for about a couple of weeks, waiting for my military-grade revolutionary lighter to turn up, and the day finally came. Woohoo! Look at this, my friends. Is that awesome, or is that awesome? Now don't get me wrong, guys, it's a pretty awesome looking lighter, but I'm looking all over the place. I'm looking in the box, I'm even looking under the packaging trying to find that USB cord to plug the bloody thing in so I can use it, because look, it doesn't go. So I thought to myself, Pete, they forgot to put in your USB cord. But that's not a problem. I've got heaps of those cords, so I'll just go and grab one, and then I can plug it in, charge it up, and we'll be burning shit in no time. And then I had a closer look at it, and I realised there's nowhere to plug in a bloody USB port anyway. But look what I found. It's a bloody hole to refill it with butane. This seems to be increased butane, decreased butane. But that can't be right, Pete, because it's an electric lighter. And what's this one here? It just locks the starter switch. But hold on a minute. Didn't that ad say it was 100% electric and didn't use any butane gas? I reckon these guys are trying to fool me. Let's have another look and be sure of the facts before I start moaning.
It's got the firepower of a military-grade flamethrower.
A military-grade flamethrower.
For being too powerful, and they've sold over 3 million units in just the past 30 days.
3 million of them, man. It can't be a scam. They've sold 3 million of them.
This is unlike anything you've ever seen. It's been featured in all major newspapers like NBC News, Fox News, and even CNN. That's because it doesn't use butane or gas. Instead, it runs.
See that? It doesn't use butane or gas.
Enough to burn through metal in seconds.
It's fully electric, windproof, and waterproof, and doesn't use bloody butane gas. Now I think somebody's telling porkies.
And here's the wild part. Some people are saying it could be banned again soon. Why? Because the U.S. Product Safety Committee thinks it's just too powerful for everyday folks.
Get in quick, guys, because it's not going to be available for much longer.
Never seen anything like this, and it doesn't run on gas or butane. Instead,
it doesn't run on gas or butane again. They must have sent me the wrong torch. But never fear, my friends. I'll just ring up the toll-free number and ask where my USB cord is. They'll sort this out, no trouble at all.
The number you dialed is not a working number. Please check the
Really?
number and dial again.
But this has been featured all over YouTube. Surely it can't be a scam. Let's try that again. Yeah, where's my USB cord?
The number you dialed is not a working number.
Shit. I'll try ringing them again later. I think they've probably just gone out for lunch or something like that. But anyway, I've found a USB cable in my office, so no need to wait. We can plug the sucker in and melt some steel with its dual plasma cutter arc technology. I can hardly wait. I'm so excited, man. All we got to do is plug in the USB cable and then we're away. I said to myself, where the hell does this plug in? No. Ah, shit. Hello. Why don't we try this fully electric lighter with some butane gas? Nah, that's not going to work, Pete. That's not going to work, Pete. Doesn't fit a USB. But it seems to fit a gas bottle. Yeehaw, Grandma! No. What a piss-ass flame! Ow, that's hot. I bet you it doesn't even burn through a can. Ow. Didn't even burn it right through. 1800 degrees. 300 uses before you have to recharge it. I think this is a load of bollocks. Isn't it supposed to be waterproof as well? Waterproof my ass. So my friends, that's the story of the military grade dual action whippersnipper USB cable totally electric bullshit lighter. Now this thing cost me about $65 to get it to New Zealand. It's actually not a bad lighter. As you can see, the flame is pretty cool. As far as being no butane and 100% electric, it's a total scam. I paid $65 for it. After I received it, I had a look on Amazon. You can buy them for $14 bloody. And they don't tell you it's electric. And you know what they say? Product must be filled with butane to work. No, really? That'll teach me for having a couple of beers and a credit card handy. Anyway, my friends, if you want to buy one of these lighters, just remember it's a butane lighter. I'll put a link to Amazon in the description below. They're not bad, actually. Just don't buy it off those thieving bastards that charge you 3 times what it's worth, don't answer their bloody phone calls, and make out it's something it's not. Anyway, guys, put in the comments below if you've been ripped off online, and we'll see you next time, eh? I'm gonna go and melt some shit.